Hi YouTube, it's me and today I'm in Boho Salon. I'm a tattoo artist because you can see. I want to see my friend say something to me. Are you coming? Are you coming? Let's do that. Let's come back to the game. On a global journey to explore how our appetites shape our world. Okay, I'm a tattoo artist, by the way. See, right there. I'm just waiting for my friend. Her name is Shimmer. I call her that. I call her Kaylee. I'm gonna wait for her. What she said? I don't know. She said nothing. I'm gonna see. I want to see. Yep. I'm so excited. I'm joining you. She's a guest. I will do you. Let's go, Shimmer. I will do it too.
Horses are born in a real tree, man.
What the heck?
You see this sort of thing here.
Did someone reset?
California, man. Welcome to paradise.
She needs a car because she's a guest. She's a guest.
The real thing about Los Angeles car culture is that it has the most interesting people
Hello.
interesting things with their cars in one
Everything, please.
We're going to go meet an artist who
Okay, she needs everything.
I want to link it to
Everything.
but it doesn't really fit into any real mold. I think we're going to have to see it to really sort of understand.
Shimmer.
All right.
Wait. Time. Savage.
Hello, Baron Margo. Baron, hello. Hey, how you doing? I'm Raphael. I'm Baron.
Okay, I want you to follow me real quick, because you're my best friend.
Objects from junkyard and turned them into species of art inspired by retrofuturism and the nuclear age.
Okay. You follow me?
Yeah,
wait, follow me. Come on, dude. Come on.
This is amazing.
She's my best friend. This is my best friend, Shimmer. So I'll just scan her card really quick. Bam. Strange. Okay, I have to go behind her.
Created like an alternate universe for yourself.
Dude, you said, oh, yay! I can do whatever I want her. I want to delete her stuff first.
That was very cool about it. So I tried to make it feel like more right.
I'll give her a crown. That's cute.
Now my art's considered steampunk. But it's basically really my lifestyle. Is what I like. That's incredible. So how did it start moving from making art?
Come on, be quick! Be quick! Be quick! Try to be quick. Try to be quick. Try to be quick.
But after a few years of building these, I just said to myself,
okay.
Why don't I just do real ones that I can drive?
I could put this in my YouTube video. Okay. I should put on her this hair on her because she has no hair. Be quick, be quick, be quick. Oh, by the way, there's like a hole right there. You can see. You can see right there. Right. There's Daddy. Wait. There's my dad. Dad. Right there. Okay, be quick, be quick. Come on, come on. I think she likes it.
Only a madman would make them so the street.
Her shirt. Are you sure she wants? I can put on her.
And then they just manufacture it.
There you go. Oh wait, I forgot what she did.
Your inspiration for something like that. I don't know. It just comes out of my head. Spontaneous. No plans or movement. This is one of my favorites.
Okay.
It's a Zeppelin.
Perfect. It's so cute for her. I'm gonna put something like
Of course.
Hats.
You know, Baron, for some people, a minivan is
What
enough.
should I put her on? Should I put wings on her? Oh no.
I'm going
I don't know if she will be happy with that.
any car
I'll give her another hat.
from the house.
Sure.
You have all of these
Get ID. Bam.
to create this whole mindset.
This is her bear mask.
You see them. To be anything you want.
She's so cute.
You can afford both here. And the world looks different, really. They're having more fun than I can. He built these cars not because he
I think she likes it.
so. This is just his idea of what a car should look like.
You like it? You like it?
I feel like
That's new. Oh my god, I love it.
So LA definitely is. From this joint.
Wait, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. I hope she said hi to YouTube. Wait, quick. Before I leave. Hey YouTube, that's my friend.
Everyone should be taking pages out.
Okay guys, I had to end this video. You have to leave a like, thumbs up, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, okay? Bye!